Okay, so now what would it be?
Okay.
Yes, yeah, cross that out.
Alright. And so, it would be 3 plus
6 rad 3
6 rad 3 plus 9
divided by
over 9
minus 3
plus square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3
would cancel out.
Yeah,
So now it would only be minus 3.
minus 3. And so it is equal to over 6. And then we simplify.
Alright.
We simplify this to equal, if we divide it by 6, it would be equal to square root of 3 plus 2 over 3.
Alright then, let's put it over here. You are correct.
Yes,
Okay, let's go to the next problem. Sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now, let's look at the formula.
Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A times cos B plus cos A times sine B.
Alright, now let's put it over here and start the work.
Alright. So,
Sine of 45 degrees.
to find the 45, we must use our 45 special
Right triangle.
And so, sine is what?
So what would be the sine of 45? Let's look at the opposite over the hypotenuse. Alright then. So it would be...
So, the opposite is square root of 2, and the hypotenuse is 2. So, sine of 45 is equal to
rad 2 over 2.
Yes.
Alright,
Now the next one. Sine of 30 degrees. We must use our other 30-60 right triangle.
Okay, so it's opposite over hypotenuse.
So since it's 30,
Which would be...
opposite over hypotenuse, 1/2.
Yes.
So sine of 30 is equal to 1/2.
Now let's look at cosines. Oh, wrong one. No. Wait. Okay, let's look at cosines. What would cosine of 45 be?
Cosine is... what is cosine actually?
Cosine, as a matter of fact, is adjacent over hypotenuse.
And so, adjacent would be rad 2 and hypotenuse is 2. So, cos of 45 would be rad 2 over 2.
Why, yes it is.
Now we need to find cos of B, which is 30 degrees.
Yep. Let's do it. So what would cosine of 30 be?
Since it's adjacent over hypotenuse, we would use the adjacent, which is square root of 3, and the hypotenuse, which is 2. So cos of 30 is equal to square root of 3 over 2.
Alright, now let's put them all into our formula.
Okay, let's just see which one is which, actually. So this would be sine of A.
Yes.
Sine of 30 would be our sine of B.
Yes.
Cos of 45 would be our
Cosine A.
Cosine A. And cosine 30 would be cosine B.
Alright then.
So now we have to put that into
The problem.
and our formula.
Yep.
And so it's sine A times cos B. So sine A is sine A is square root of 2 over 2.
Yes.
Times cos B, which is square root of 3 over 2. And then plus cos A, which is square root of 2 over 2, times sine B, which is 1/2.
Alright then. Now let's do the math.
So it would turn into square root of 6 over
2.
4.
Oh yes, 4. Oh, my bad.
Plus square root of 2 over 4.
Yes.
Which is equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4.
4. Now let's put that into the answer sheet.
So our answer sheet would be square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4.
You are correct.
Yes!
Alright, now last problem.